Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use Apple Maps Street View Look Around like a Pro. So to do this, you just need to go and open your your Apple Maps. And after that, you should choose a place where this option is available. For example, I will put Chicago, United States, because like I told you, this option is not available everywhere or in all the countries. So you must be in a place where this option is available. So after that, I will zoom out. And for example, I will choose this, I will choose this place. And as you can see, there is an icon that appeared in the bottom left of the screen. Like when I click on it, as you can see here, I can see the street view like from my Apple Maps, and I can move if I click also. As you can see everything here. And like that, you can change the place after that to another place. For example, I will change it to here, and I will go also to like Apple Maps. You can move to any place that you want with that option, and you can move as like you want. So, and see the streets and see everything with your Apple Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next